Good morning. Welcome back to News 6 Saturday morning. Now, parents, I want you to get up and I want you to get your kids out of bed because we're going to go to the VCU Siegel Center today. You have to go there because one of the largest regional robotics competitions in the whole United States is right here in Richmond, Virginia. And to tell us about it, believe me, I'm very honored to have Greg Hale, Vice President of Design and Engineering for Walt Disney World. Greg, thanks for being here.
Thanks, Bud. I'm glad to be here.
Tell me a little bit about what's going on down there.
It's an incredible experience. These kids have spent 6 weeks designing and building a robot that's going to go out there and compete head-to-head with other robots on stage, 2-minute rounds. Really, really exciting.
Now, everybody can get involved with this, can't they? This is the whole idea of this. It's not just specialization in technology.
No, this was an idea of Dean Kamen, the founder, 10 years ago, to get kids interested in science and technology, get them turned on to what it's all about and what they can do with their creative minds and make a difference in the world.
Now, this is really, what you're seeing right now is some of the robots, it's a team of 4, so it's a real spirit of cooperation. And they have to build these robots. They have to be less than 130 pounds, less than 5 feet high, and somewhere between 30 and 36 inches. So they all have the same parts to work with, don't they?
They all get this bag of parts. They don't know the rules, and they have 6 weeks to turn that into a working robot to go on stage and compete. And they all start out the same, but they never end up the same.
Now, this is part of the NASA Langley VCU School of Engineering, and it really is also a company called, the program is the FIRST program.
FIRST program for inspiration and recognition of science and technology. And it's all about, as I said, getting kids really interested in science and finding out what they can do with their minds and not just things in school that maybe don't lead to a career in basketball or football. Right. This is something that can make a difference, and they can have a lot of fun doing it.
And you go, Greg's the thing. I saw yesterday, I was with the J.R. Tucker team. Okay, it's Sparky 2.0, guys. I got your coat, I got your hat on here. Now, what they did is they worked with Infineon, okay, as one of the sponsors, and what they did, I think, was they had a situation where about 2 weeks into it, well, actually less than 10 days, they found they were 17 pounds over.
Right.
The Infineon engineers came in and helped them get past that.
Right, yeah, this is done in cooperation with major corporations, so they get to work with engineers. They found out, how do you solve this problem of being overweight? They drilled holes throughout their machines to take that metal out, and they made the weight limit.
Again, I know that today, that this is actually, will start at 9 o'clock. I think the first contest is 9:20.
Right.
Okay, so it goes till 4 o'clock today, and parents, it's free. There is no reason why you can't get them out there and see this, because believe me, again, this is a spectacular event.
It is. This is the biggest event. It's going to wind up at Walt Disney World. There'll be over 300 teams at Walt Disney World, 16,000 kids in the finals, but this is the biggest regional of 13 regionals that are taking place all around the country. It's really their chance to get out and see something very exciting that makes a difference in the world.
Can you believe this? I've got a VP of Disney right here. Hey, coming up, we're going to do some virtual hang gliding today. Can you believe that?
Oh, that sounds fun. Yeah, we've got a ride that does that. Yeah.
All right, great. VCU Siegel Center today, the robotics. Please get over there, take your kids, invest in technology for the future. That's their minds. Now, someone who, from robotics to won the robot dance contest with Tito Jackson. Here's Tracy with the weather.
Where did that come from? I thought you were going to refer to my technology back here or something. I'll go with what he says. Anyway, we do have a lot of new technology here. Again,